We are here at Real Canadian Superstore, one of the largest superstore here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. It's originated since 1979. It's already 41 years ago, mga kabayan. Mga strawberries, berries, berry selections, fresh berries, fruits, the vegetable sections. What is this? It's number 7. Okay, bibili tayo ng ating mga ingredients. We're looking for the ingredients of crinkles. We're needing cocoa. Ito yung cocoa kailangan natin. Ayan o. Yeah. Kumuha ka na ng cocoa. Ito yung mga gatas. Ito yung sausage with cheese. Okay. Good. The grocery store. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Kape muna tayo. Dito tayo sa Tim Hortons. Magda-drive-thru ng coffee and milk tea. Okay, yan. Since it's lockdown, the restaurant is closed. It's only open for pick up and delivery. Okay, we're going to the drive-thru area. Holy Ghost. Every morning, the queue in this Tim Hortons is like this. This is the famous coffee shop here in Canada. I think there is already Tim Hortons in the Philippines, right? And here is the queue.
Double milk tea, medium size. That's it.
Ayan, si Daddy Chris is ordering already.
Okay.
He just ordered milk tea for me after having the grocery. Look at their snow. How are you? How are your New Year? Go! Start turn.
Thank you.
Okay, here's my Tim Hortons. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Or again, see our backyard full of snow. But the weather is nice, very nice, even though there are full of snow here in our pathways. It's a bit windy today. Christmas tree. That's it. Oh, it's snowing. See, I'm snowing. Bye-bye.